We are living an unprecedented situation with immediate impacts on our day-to-day lives and long-term impacts on the global economy. Many businesses are facing economic difficulties as a result of the COVID-19 crisis and have had to temporarily suspend or substantially reduce their activities. This economic slowdown will necessarily result in permanent layoffs and budget cuts. As a result, IT teams will have to face the same workload with less resources. As part of the Meraki ecosystem, Boundless Digital wants to contribute by providing the right response to tackle your customer challenges. We've performed the deepest integration of the Meraki Dashboard API on the market and have developed a network automation and management solution that streamlines and simplifies the configuration, provisioning, and monitoring of IT infrastructure. IT teams can benefit from a comprehensive platform to automate their networking infrastructure, apply changes globally across their organization, and eliminate manual repetition and configuration drift. We have been working with the Meraki teams for more than 7 years, and we know how important Q4 can be for Cisco. Our platform will also address the challenges of Meraki sales teams, since we believe that most of the time, the biggest thing stopping you from closing your next deal is actually wrapping up the previous one. So by simplifying the deployment of equipment and configuration of multiple networks, you can close deals much faster and focus on securing your Q4 targets. The Boundless Automation Platform provides an off-the-shelf solution for simplifying several network management use cases that we've seen frequently for IT teams managing large organizations. We've integrated all of the features available from the Dashboard API, and our solutions can be applied to the complete Meraki product portfolio. Implementing this solution for your customer is dead simple. All they need to do is plug in their Meraki API key, and they're good to go. Now let's take a look at the Boundless platform and see how we can deal with your customer challenges through concrete examples. Do you need to quickly deploy hundreds or thousands of pieces of equipment? With Boundless, you can create thousands of networks automatically using a CSV file. You simply write out all the information that you need to configure your networks. This can be a network name, address, time zone, VLAN information, device info, tags, and much more. Next, you upload the file to Boundless, and we let you create a customized workflow that outlines the steps needed to create your networks. You can even have complex workflows, such as creating networks, assigning tags, moving devices and claiming order numbers, assigning VLANs, and even binding to templates. Each step is customizable and optional, so it can be adapted exactly to the specific needs of your client. Once you've created your workflow, you simply click Execute, and Boundless will use the Meraki API to automatically create all of your networks in real time, exactly according to your definitions. Even if you have thousands of networks to create and deploy, your deployment will execute in minutes. This means that it leaves no chance for human error, and you rest assured that the new network deployment happens quickly and exactly as desired. At this point, your entire Meraki configuration is done. The only thing left to do is plug in the equipment and go. Boundless goes further than Meraki's native batch network creation because it's powered by the Meraki API. So this means that no matter how complex your workflow is, Boundless can execute it automatically. Now, once the networks are created, how can you easily modify and configure them on a massive scale, on an ongoing basis? The native Meraki templates offer a great solution if the networks are all the same. But if you need one-off customizations or a bit more variety, the only other option is to make changes manually, which can lead to complex errors or be time-consuming. Boundless Flex templates come to the rescue. You can use Flex templates just like Meraki templates. However, since changes are applied via the API, You can easily make changes or one-off customizations if needed. You simply create a new Flex template or base it off of an existing Meraki template or network. Next, you customize your Flex templates as needed. Then you can deploy this Flex template to hundreds or even thousands of networks in the blink of an eye. If ever you need to customize a particular network, you can still make those changes without additional constraints. This gives you all the benefits of native Meraki templates and offers an enhanced flexibility if you need to go further. We provide simple solutions so that in one click or a few clicks, they can make sure that their networks are up to date and that multiple networks are conform with their standards internally.